get something. Little surprise, some seat time action, maybe, and into what's coming. Oh yeah, look at that. But yeah, you guys will see. We're on the way there. Hartford, Wisconsin. A little bit of a trip, 2 hours away from our small city. 5-0. Woo! 5-0. Not casual. But yeah, we'll give you guys a little peek when we get there. But for right now, we're just cruising down the highway, looking at fields. Package has been received. I'd have to look at the post to know more specs about it, but BMW drift car angle kit. There's like an e-brake modification, so you can. She's got like a aftermarket attachment down there, so you can use the stock e-brake. Energy steering wheel. Yep, like Beto said, welded diff, fat angle, fat camber, 2-hour trip home. Cater's gonna be catching some seat time. Super excited. Obviously we're gonna wait for a test tune event, I would assume.
Yeah, what's up?
But
I'm sorry, I'm just like
they got one coming up right now, but it's on a Thursday.
tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we work. So we gotta wait for the one that's coming up on the weekend. We're gonna head in, I'm gonna get a coffee, Tater's gonna get a water.
Looks stupid. Look at it.
I know. Sheesh. Got myself a coffee and a water. Tater's gonna lead the way. 2-hour trip home. Gotta work at 5 in the morning. What time is it now? 6:46. Hell yeah. Let's get her going. Rick's first slide, yeah! What? Huh? Something goofy's going on? You can't get it into fucking gear? So Pato made it to the gas station, a little bit down the road. Car don't go into gear. We don't have a jack. I had this jack. Halfway through going, it collapsed. Go figure.
Fucking got wedged under the car.
So we're 2 hours away from home with Tater's car on the side of a fucking roundabout. We're not sure what to do. Obviously we could come back tomorrow and rescue it instantly, but he doesn't have plates. And it's just on the side of a roundabout. Like literally there's no parking lot, just straight road down there.
There's
Not pushing it uphill.
around the roundabout.
Oh jeez. We messaged the guy. We think it's the shift linkage because I mean obviously it was just driving fine. It didn't do any crazy shit. So yeah, we're stuck here. Well, we're not stuck. We got the Cavi, but we're trying to figure it out. That's the update. Like I said, we made it to a gas station, which was literally down the road from that guy's storage unit. We drove this far. We made it to this roundabout. Peyton can't get his car into gear. We think it's the shift linkage. I tried to use the jack, it didn't work. Multiple people stopped. Nobody's got a jack. Everybody's got tools, but no jack. Very nice people out here. But yeah, we're gonna have to come back tomorrow with a trailer and get this, or bring the jack and hopefully fix it there. But for now, we gotta take the Cavi home. We gotta work in the fucking morning. So. Tomorrow, mission, rescue BMW. Look at that thing. Tater don't seem to be mad. I don't fucking care that we gotta come back tomorrow. It's all part of owning a drift car, baby. Okay, so I called Papa White. He said we should go get it tonight, he said. So me and Tater requested off work. 5 hours, yep, we're gonna go in for 9, 10, going in for 10. And yeah.
Sorry, Lori. Love you.
So she's gonna be a long night, but we're gonna go get her. She's in a terrible spot to sit. It's off the road, but if a motherfucker had too much to drink, or even when we were sitting there, semis, like their trailers were getting kind of close and shit.
So many trailers too.
And it's a nice ass BMW. That's Tater's seat time car. So we gotta go get that bitch. Doors don't fucking lock either, but there's an alarm system, so if you do open the door, the alarms go off. Horse a piece, we're going to get it. So we're headed back to O'Connell. We're gonna go get the truck and trailer and we're gonna head back. Jeez. Okay, we made it back to town. We grabbed Papa White. To the rescue. And now 2 hours back to the BMW.
Yeah, they said they were
11:47, rolling up to the BMW. Now to figure out how to get it. We're gonna get a little roll, boop, onto the trailer. We're gonna go home. Oh yeah. She's up, she's on the trailer, strapping it on. We gotta get the fuck home. Sheesh. She's home. Before we left, this fucking piece was sitting in a fucking, on here. And the light wouldn't shut off. So we gave her the old fucking Swift College slam. We got the old Swift College brake. Grandpa John's. Fat camber. No fat camber. Weird. Yeah, gonna hit the hay. Gonna go to bed. And fuck with this tomorrow or on the weekend. They got Tater working Fridays and Saturdays. But yeah, that's it for now. Like, comment, subscribe. Super late at night.
2 o'clock in the morning. It's not
Yeah.
late, it's early.
It's early. Stay tuned for more content. Drift car stuff coming soon. Have a good night.